Hi, welcome back. I started to film today just because today Caleb's coming and I think it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be fun and full of emotions. So yeah, I know I look really bad. I look really bad, but right now I'm getting rid of all of my things from school. It's really bad. I feel really bad just throwing away all of my tests, all of my notes, everything. I have like this full thing. It's going to the trash. And then, well, I woke up and I slept with my mom last night. It was really emotional. Yeah. And then my stepdad brought us breakfast to the bed. So that was cute. That was sweet. And yeah. I'll see you guys later. Poner aquí los panes que corresponden a este.
¿De quién es el?
Mío, digamos, porque quiero solo un queso. A ver, wake up. Hi, I'm still doing the same thing.
From above, every day would seem turning into love song.
Hi, I'm on my way to pick up Caleb right now. So here's the thing. We're not allowed to go out. We're allowed to go out till 9. After that, we cannot go out. And it's 10:20. So let's just pray that I don't get to see a cop. And if I do, I can show him the ticket, like his boarding pass, and I'll be okay. But so yeah, bye. All right, I'm here. I got to the airport already. It says that he arrived already. He landed. I'm really excited. I did not see any cops, just like 2 actually, but they were there because of an accident or something. I thought they were going to stop me, but They did not. I'm really excited. And actually, I'm kind of emotional just because we are saying goodbye to long distance today. It has been 3 years, and it was hard, but also it was quick. And I just cannot believe it that we are going to be together forever, finally. So even though we are finishing with long distance today, I'm starting long distance with my family. I don't know if that's the thing, but I feel like that. Like, I'm done with long distance with Caleb, my husband, but now I'm starting it with my family. I'm moving and they are staying here. And I think I don't know, it's kind of weird to explain it. But yeah, we'll see. I know God is going to give me the strength I need, and I'm gonna cry. Okay, so today's Saturday, and we are leaving on a Friday, the next Friday. He came here to pick me up. He knows that it's going to be very hard for me, that flight of me flying from here to the States. And also he wanted to be with my family one more week and just to say bye to everyone. So yeah. Hi, so I'm about to post this video. Today is Monday and we will be leaving on Friday. We will be spending these last days with my family. I'll be packing. Fun fact, today is May the 17th and we met exactly 3 years ago. Today, 3 years ago. And I just think it's crazy. Like I said, I'm really excited, but of course it's gonna be hard to leave my family. I'm gonna cry. But like I said, I know God is going to, oh my goodness, God is going to give us the strength. And I'm just really thankful. I was not planning on crying. And I'm just really thankful for all of the support that I have received from my family and friends. I have not received a lot of negative comments, and that's really nice. But yeah, I trust that God has huge plans for us. Ay, no tenía planeado llorar. Sé que no va a ser para nada fácil, pero estoy muy agradecida con Dios por todo este tiempo. Oli, ya, tuve que parar para hacer una pausa y respirar, pero el punto de este video era agradecer a toda mi familia por todo este tiempo. No quiero hacerlo muy extenso porque lloro y quiero dejar muchas cosas guardaditas, pero bueno, cada uno sabe. No puedo, no puedo. Cada uno sabe lo que para mí significan, tanto familia como amigos, los que han estado muy, muy de cerquita. Gracias. Gracias a Dios no he recibido malos ni comentarios negativos. Obviamente también quería agradecerle a Dios por toda esta etapa que pasamos. Caleb y yo empezamos la relación a distancia hace 3 años y ya estamos a pocos días de cerrar esa etapa. Pero bueno, yo empiezo otra etapa, otra relación a distancia con mi familia y amigos. Y sé que Dios nos va a dar las fuerzas como nos las dio a Caleb y a mí para sobrellevar esos 3 años. Gracias a Dios por la tecnología y que voy a poder estar hablando con ellos constantemente, no solo hablar, sino también verlos. Y les agradecería mucho las oraciones porque se necesitan. Y nada, muy feliz por lo que viene. Y sí, eso sería. Nos vemos.